Hello friend, in today's lesson we will learn how to install Tensorflow in Windows by using conda environment. So to do that, we first need to set the environment. It is better to put all the corresponding library and packages of Tensorflow in a particular environment. To do that, you need to run the command conda create space -name myenv. Myenv is a name of your choice. You can put any name here. You can put any name here as per your requirement. So as per your choice, not a requirement. Then after creation of the environment, you can go on adding the library to this. Otherwise, you can set the environment with a particular version. Suppose to create an environment with a specific version of Python, you need to create this kind of one: conda create -n, then the name of your choice, and Python is equal to 3.6. That means whenever this environment is created, it is according to a specific version of Python. That means 3.6. Then after creation of the environment, you just activate the environment by using activate and your environment name myenv, and then go on installing the Tensorflow package, TensorBoard, anything related to Tensorflow. Okay. So but one problem is here. Some version of Windows is not supporting the current version of Tensorflow, that means 2.0. So if you are facing any problem regarding installation of Tensorflow, so better go for the lower version. Lower version means 1.15, because below 1.12 also you are facing many problem installation. So better go for 1.15. So how to do that? To do that, you need to write pip install Tensorflow equal to 1.15. So it will automatically take the Tensorflow version 1.15 and do according to the installation. So let's move to our conda prompt. Here I am inside my start menu. So here print conda, it will let us write anaconda. Yes, anaconda, one is anaconda prompt, one is anaconda PowerShell. So better start from anaconda prompt, and here execute the command conda environment list. This will give us the total number of environment already present in my already present inside my computer. So this will take some time. Yes, so already I have a base environment which is created from the beginning. This is a system created, not the user created, and the remaining three are the user created. Okay, one is your myenv, one is your myenv1, another myenv. Okay, so these three are already created, so we cannot create another one with the same name. So let's start create a new one. So we'll print conda create name, new one. Suppose the name is my environment. Okay, environment, then presenter. It will collect in the JSON file as a record for environment creation. I don't know why this error is showing here. So actually you record double hyphen, 2 hyphen here. Okay, then it will create it automatically. It will take yes, solving environment done. Yes, press Y, then it will create a so environment is created. So if you go on checking what are the environment present, you can see here by pressing conda environment list, you can get your environment here. So look, so my environment 3 is created. So to activate this, you need to activate my env3. So now it is activated. Look, so now this is working upon my environment 3, and here you can go on installing a pip install let's check whether Python is present or not. Yes, Python is present 3.7.6, so no need to install it further. So exit the Python prompt, and if you want to install the TensorFlow, pip install TensorFlow. It will actually take a lot of time, so it required total 459.2 MB. So though I have installed this TensorFlow in one of my other environment like myenv, so no need to install here. This is for make you understand how the thing happening. So I am pressing Ctrl C to start the process. If you are facing any problem in the current version, then better go for 1.15. okay, likewise this way also you can install your TensorFlow. So it is 295 MB, but the current version is 459 MB. So this way you can install. So now I am closing it by pressing Ctrl C. So this way you can install your TensorFlow. Let's check whether it is working or not. I am closing the thing here and opening it again. Anaconda prompt, and here activate my own myenv, and here go to Python and import TensorFlow. Yes, it will take some time, but it will show no error. So it is okay. Now it is working well. And putting hello, and after that create another constant I is tf constant world. Okay, so two constants are created. Let's create a graph over this with two constants. W is equal to h plus I. Okay, then start a session with tf.Session as says, then execute this particular node W and store it somewhere. Let it be X. Okay, I am storing it somewhere S. And what is the session name? SS. Then run. Inside this, pass the node. What is the node? W. Okay, now execute this thing. Then print X. It will print hello world. And this lots of warning is coming because we are working with CPU. Okay, but anyhow, if you are doing it in Jupyter, this warning will not come, but here it is coming. Okay, anyhow, we are getting our results, so this is not created any problem. Thank you.